Hello students, today we are continue our lesson that is Mrs. Addis, whose writer is a Smith, uh, Sheila Smith. Okay. In last period we discussed that the dead person who was outside of the Mrs. Addis cottage was Tom, her son, and she comes to know that he is dead, and that's why she become her voice become very dry, and she was very shocked. Okay. Now we are going to continue our passage from page number 49. Okay. Look at the passage now. In the shade, Peter Crouch had ceased to sweat and tremble. In the shade. Okay, you know that when they listen the footsteps of some person, Mrs. Addis told Peter Crouch that come back into the shade, and she locked that shade outside outdoor of the outside. Okay. And there was a Peter, and he had ceased to sweat and tremble. He was very trembled because he had a ceased to sweat, that brings sweat and tremble. Strength had come with despair. His strength become despair. Now he knew he must despair now. Okay. Now he comes to know that the person who was dead and who was outside of the door was Tom, his best friend, and by mistake he shot him. Okay, beside no longer wanted to escape from his things, and that he had done. Okay, there was no chance to escape himself from these things, because he had already done it, and he took shelter in the house of Mrs. Addis, Tom's mother's house. Okay. Oh, Tom and I was thinking it was one of the keepers. He didn't know about the information that Tom was a keeper in that cinderwood, and when he shot, he obviously he did not know that the person was Tom, and that's why he took a shelter in the house of Mrs. Addis. But when he comes to know that the person or the keeper was Tom, who he had shot, and obviously he felt very sorry about it. Oh, Tom. Okay, and it was you that got it from me. Now he was confirmed that when he shot the person, the keeper, that keeper was Tom, and he shot Tom, the son of Mrs. Addis. I don't want to live. Now he lost his desire to live because he killed his friend, best friend Tom. Okay. तो जैसे उसे पता चला पीटर क्राउच को कि जिससे उसने गोली मारी थी या उसने गन शॉट की थी, तो वो जो कीपर था, वो कीपर कौन था? टॉम था। और इसे पता नहीं था कि टॉम एज अ कीपर वहाँ पे काम कर रहा था। तो बाय मिस्टेक ही सही, लेकिन उसके हाथ से उसे उसके दोस्त की, टॉम की हत्या हुई थी, मर्डर हुआ था, और इसलिए नाउ ही डिडंट वांट टू लिव. ओके. एंड ate life was sweet. Though he think that he didn't want to live, but life is life. Life is sweet, and life was sweet for him. For there was a woman at T-shirts, a woman as faithful to him as Tom. But he was hopeful again that Mrs. Addis was a woman who was very faithful as his friend Tom, and who would go with him to the world's end even now. He also believed that his faith on Mrs. Addis was so strong that he thought that the lady Mrs. Addis would go with him to world's end. Even he shot the son of Mrs. Addis, Tom. Okay, but he must not think of her. But now he did not want to think about her, because after all, Tom was her son, and he was dead, and Peter Crouch was responsible for all things. He had no rights. He must pay with his life for what he had done. He must pay with his life for what he had done. Okay. But he lost his chance, he lost his right, and he did not want to take shelter in the house of Mrs. Addis now, because he was the killer of her son, and he must pay with his life for what he had done. Mrs. Addis was sitting in the old basket armchair by the fire. One of the men had helped her into it. Okay, obviously Mrs. Addis was very shocked. Now he was sitting in the old basket armchair by the fire, and one of the person who entered in her house helped her into it. We will go round to Iron Latch cottage and ask Mrs. Gain to come down to you. The person asked Mrs. Addis that they would go around to the Iron Latch cottage, and they also request Mrs. Gain to came down with Mrs. Addis, because she was very shocked. She was very in sorrow, and that's why they want to go to मिसेस गेन. ओके. तो उसने जब मिसेस एडिस को वहाँ पे बिठाया, उन्होंने आर्म चेयर पे, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम मिसेस गेन को आपके पास बैठने के लिए बोल के आते हैं, क्योंकि मिसेस एडिस वॉज इन वेरी शॉक्ड. शी वॉज इन वेरी sorrow, and that's why it is very important to have क्या कह सकेंगे कि टू हैव प्रेजेंस ऑफ सम लेडी विथ हर. ओके. दिस इज टेरिबल थिंग. This is terrible thing to have come to you, and as for the man who did it, we have a middling good guess who is he, and he shall hang. Okay. The person again assure Mrs. Addis that this thing was very terrible, this was very hard, this was very terrible with her, and they also promised that they have to middling good guess that who was the person who shot her son, and they shall hang the person. Okay. We didn't see his face, but we have got his gun. But the person did not know who was the person who shot Tom, because they didn't see the face of that person, but they had got the gun in the bush. He threw it into the bush when he bolted, and bolted it means run away from there. He threw that gun into the bush, and that gun was gotten by the person, and that's why they comes to know about the person. That's why they promised her that they shall hang the person. Okay. He threw it into the bush when he bolted, and swear that gun belongs to Peter Crouch, who's been up to no good since the day he was sacked for the settling corn. Okay. Sacked, it means dismissed. Okay. They comes to know that the gun belongs to Peter Crouch, and that's why they assure Mrs. Addis that they knew the person, though they did not see the face of that person, but they had gotten his gun, and that's why they are very sure about the gun, that the gun belongs to Peter Crouch. ठीक है. उसके बाद उनको पता चल गया था, क्योंकि वो गन पीटर क्राउच की थी, और शॉट करने के बाद उसने वो गन बुश में फेंक दी थी जो उन्हें मिली थी, और उस पर से उन्होंने अंदाज़ा लगा लिया था कि ये गन पीटर क्राउच की ही है. ओके. But he couldn't have known it was Tom when he did it. But Peter Crouch, obviously he didn't have a knowledge about the person. The person was Tom. ओके. तो पीटर क्राउच को ये पता नहीं था कि जिसे उसने शॉट किया था वो टॉम ही था, एंड ही एंड टॉम ऑलवेज बीइंग अ बेटर फ्रेंड्स देन ही डिजर्व्ड. Okay. Tom was the best friend of Peter Crouch, though he was not deserved about that, and they were very good friends, and that's why obviously he did not like that he did not know about the information that he shot the person. The person was Tom. पीटर क्राउच को नहीं पता था कि जिसे उसने गोली मारी थी वो कौन था, मिसेस एडिस का बेटा यानी कि टॉम था, जो बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे। हालांकि पीटर क्राउच डिज़र्व नहीं करता था टॉम का अच्छा दोस्त होने के होना, लेकिन वो दोनों में अच्छी फ्रेंडशिप थी। Peter Crouch was standing upright now. Now Crouch was standing upright and looking through the cracks of the door. He again observed from that cracks of door. He saw that Mrs. Addis struggled to her feet and stand by the table, looking down on the dead man's face. Who was the dead man? Obviously Tom's. And he observed from the crack of the door, and he saw that Mrs. Addis struggled to her feet and stand by the table. She was looking down on the dead man's, it means Tom's, face. He saw her put her hands into the apron pocket where she had thrust the key of the shed. Okay, what he saw from the cracks of the door, that Mrs. Ivy struggled with her feet. She was looking upon the dead body of Tom, and now she was taking her hands into the pocket of her apron. And Peter Crouch know very well that all the keys of the shed was in her pocket of apron. ओके, तो यहाँ हम रुकते हैं, ठीक है। बाकी का नेक्स्ट पेसेज में, अब लास्ट पेसेज सिर्फ इसका बाकी है जो हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में कंप्लीट करेंगे।